My name is Adrian Inman. I brought my 1995 Sportster to Born Free, and I live in Long Beach, California. Oh man, so I got my bike 2 years ago, and buddies got me into it. I see them in the garage. They're hardtailing this shit. So it was only a matter of time. I went over to the Throttle Addiction tent, and someone helped me. The price was right. The rest is basically history, man. I just started wrenching and working. I will say this, the hardtail kits that you guys have make it so easy for someone just getting into this who doesn't know anything. The slugs, the way it slides in, all you gotta do is chop them in half, clean up the holes a little bit, fits in perfectly. Fender, sissy bar, seat, hardtail, yeah. The brake stay, it's a lot of parts, yeah. I feel like I got lucky and my wiring was right first time, started right up, fired right up. Man, I love it. Yeah, I'm just sitting back reclining, enjoying the road. I got those bars from Greasewood Co. There's some 6 bins that kind of go out like right at the end. Makes it really nice and comfortable with the seat and everything, the way you're sitting back in the hardtail. Got them from a raffle, and it was like $10 a ticket. That one I bought 2 of the tickets. Actually, before that, I was trying to get another pair of bars from him from a raffle. I've only bought 1, and I didn't win, so I was like, all right, let's up the ante, because these were the bars I really wanted. Deathstalker Customs. If you want to get a fucking badass paint job, go to Deathstalker Customs. And if you don't know what you want, better. Tell him to hook you up. Tell him to do his own thing, because you saw my bike. If you want that, he's the guy. Yeah. All right, so this guy's not on Instagram, but like to me, he is like the most humble, like godfather of like motorcycles or choppers that I've ever met. He's never asked me to pay him for anything. I love this guy. His name's Wade. Wade Cook, lives in Long Beach. If you want to support him, in Long Beach, there's this salon called Freebirds. His wife works there, they own it together. But yeah, I shout out that guy. And then, just all the homies in the garage, all the other builders, everybody, not just, the people here, the people who aren't here as well. I'm on Instagram, I'm looking at everybody's shit. Like, it all inspires me, and hopefully that mine inspired everyone else as well. And yeah, I definitely want to thank Throttle Addiction, because it wouldn't be what it is without you guys. My name is Adrian, I'm from Long Beach, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's not words. I say that to people a lot, and they think like, oh, is it symbols or shit? No, ITSNOTWORDS.
With thousands of chopper parts, a 90-day return policy, and free shipping on orders over $100, throttleaddiction.com is the best place to build your dream bike. Check out their selection of custom handlebars, fuel tanks, made in the USA hardtails, and so much more. For more than a decade, Throttle Addiction has been manufacturing and selling the best custom parts on the market. Build, customize, and ride with throttleaddiction.com.